Hey guys, what's up? It's Jamie. Today I'm going to show you how to configure your images on your site to not allow dragging. It'll give it a more professional look, a more like sturdy user experience. Depending on the app, of course. In some cases you'll want it. So I just have this simple app here with an image inside of that same directory, just called audience.jpg. And then right now I have a selector for all image tags, which is giving it a width of 512 pixels. So I'm also going to add some other styles here to the CSS. And that's just these right here. You need all of these in order for it to work on all the different browsers. So we have user select none, Moz user select none, so that's for Mozilla, WebKit user drag, WebKit user select, and MS user select, all set to none. Okay, so with those in place, if we go back and refresh the site, you'll see that it does not allow us to drag the image now. So it has a lot more solid feel to it. If you have multiple images and you would like to make only one of them not selectable, then you'll need to make a class for it. So I'm going to give the second one a class called no select. Okay, and then instead of putting those inside of the image tag, I'm going to make a new selector based on a class, and that class is going to be dot no-select. Okay, so that's the class selector. Alright, and then if I refresh the page, we should see two images, and then the second one, I think we did the second one is the no select one, so we should see that it doesn't drag, and then the first one does allow you to drag. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I do videos on web development, web hosting, Angular material, all that good stuff, so subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video.